In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a job title in BambooHR. Now to do this, on your dashboard, go to the People tab over here on the left. And then when you are on your People tab, you want to scroll down and find the person where you want to basically add a job title to. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a random one over here. Don't worry, this is just some random sample demo data. I'm not actually leaking anyone's info. As you can see up here, it says I'm viewing sample data. So on here, when you click on a specific employee, you want to go to the job tab over here, which should be the second one. If it's not, you'll find it somewhere up here at the top, or you could go and click on here where you can basically open up more, and you should be able to find job in here. Now from the job menu, you want to scroll down to find job information. Okay, so as you can see, if I scroll here, it says job information, and then over here is the job title. Now you can of course go and change it or add it by clicking on this pen icon, edit next to it over here, next to of course whichever effective date you want to select. So I'm gonna go with this one for this example over here, or of course you can add entry if you want to as well. So first I'm gonna click on the edit button here, and it's going to pop up like a window where you can edit this. As you can see, if I scroll down, it says HR administrator, and then in here you can then go ahead and at the very bottom when you scroll down, click on plus add, and I'm going to type in, for example, content creator like this. I'm gonna click on save, and it's going to save it, and there we go. This person now has a new job title. You can then click on save and you are good to go. Okay, so that's how to add a new one. But again, if you want to add a new entry, just click on add entry or the top right where you were able to see it, and that's essentially all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.